Do you want to build your own squeeze page and opt-in page, but you don't know how? In this video, I want to show you how you can build one using Clickfunnels. Hey, what's going on? Nick Tai here. So right now, we are going to build our squeeze page, or some people may call it opt-in page in Clickfunnels. So all you have to do is you go to Clickfunnels and you go to Funnels. Right, then we can go to this dashboard. So all you have to do now is click on Add New. Then you can click on Classic Funnel Builder. Then you click on Collect Emails. Then you can give it a random name, right? So, or whatever name you like. Then you give them a tag. Then we want to choose our opt-in page templates, right? So you can choose your look from the template. So for example, there are so many templates you can choose from. So you can take a look, maybe this one. Then you want to add a page to customize it based on your need, right? So right now, as you can see, here's the page. So we want to do some change on this page. Maybe we can change the background. So we go to setting and we go to background. Then we can change the background to our own image. Then you want to change the text here, right? So you can just click on it and change it like this way. Also, you may want to change the call to actions on the button. So you just click on the button and it will pop up like a property setting. Then you just change the text there. Then you can change the color there as well. So if you want to add more elements, you can also click on here to add new row, right? Then you can choose how many columns you want. Maybe you want 2 columns. Then you can change the background for that to make it easier to read. So you give them the color. Then you can add new elements. You can add new images. You can add new bullet points. You can add so many things on the page. And you can even give them a countdown timer, right? So you can have a countdown timer there. So say, hey, what's going? Be hurry because this offer will close soon. So you can give them some kind of urgency with those elements. Then you just go to integration. So if you already set up the integration already, then you just choose your autoresponder and you add them to the list, right? You just choose autoresponder and add them to the list. Then after everything is set, you just click on save. Then you go to the previous page. Then we want to work on the thank you page. So we go to the thank you page. Then you can choose your template again, right? So maybe this one. Then again, we go to edit page. So then you just again change everything you want, and that's the way you use Clickfunnels. It's really intuitive, and you can just take some time to play with that, and you will get used to this amazing software. So thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how you can use Clickfunnels to build your own funnel, please check the link below in this video. And thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.